We guide you through how to remove channels on Slack. So the first thing you need to do is to open Slack and go to the workspace that contains the channel you want to remove. In the left sidebar, find and click the channel. Once you're inside the channel, click the channel name at the top of the screen to open the channel details. Next, select the settings or more option menu, depending on your device version. Look for the option labeled Archive Channel, since Slack does not permanently delete channels in most cases, but archives them instead. Click Archive Channel and confirm your choice when prompted. After confirmation, the channel will be removed from the active channel list and no longer be available for regular use. If you need to access it again later, Workspace administrators can restore archived channel. Keep in mind that only users with required permissions such as channel owners, workspace admins, or workspace owners may be able to archive certain channels.